Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Google Sheets for Android. For you to get the steps done, you have to be with your Android phone because I'm just going to be showing you the steps. So to download Google Sheets on your Android device, here are the steps that you need to take. First, tap on Google Play Store app on your Android device. You're going to find it there. And in the search bar at the top of Google Play Store, type Google Sheets and tap the search icon. Then find Google Sheets app in the search results. It should be listed as developed by Google LLC. Tap on Google Sheets app, then tap the install button you're going to find. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. The next thing you need to do is to open the Google Sheets. Once installed, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by tapping open. Alternatively, you can find Google Sheets icon in your app drawer or your home screen and tap it to launch the app. Then you need to sign in. If prompted, you can sign in with your Google account to access your Google Sheets files. If not prompted, it means Google account has already been established in your phone, so you don't have to go through the necessary steps of signing in again. Now, ensure your device's software and the Google Sheets app are up to date for the best performance and new features. Also, if you're using Google Drive, Google Sheets integrates with Google Drive, so you can access your sheets from both the app and any web browser on your computer. By following the steps, you'll be able to use Google Sheets on your Android device to create, view, and edit spreadsheets on the go. So that's pretty much it. So if you really do not want to launch your Google Sheet, that's if you don't want to download Google Sheets, you can just head over to Google Doc, and if you have a Google Sheet document right there, just go ahead and click on that, and it's just going to launch you into Google Sheet itself, and just going to open it up to you. So you might be prompted to download the app, or it's just going to head over to the web browser for Google Sheets, so in case you do not need the application itself. But if you need the application, just go ahead and follow these steps. All right, just head over to Google Play Store, search for Google Sheets, and that's pretty much the process. You'll be able to have Google Sheets in your phone, and you'll be able to explore all of its features to have a great and fantastic time in Google Sheets. There are a lot of things that you can do with Google Spreadsheets. Just know what you're doing and have fun with it. So you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.